What did you get?
A Barbie Dreamhouse, a Barbie Wilson, a Barbie Chelsea,
Let's have a look at the bottom.
a Barbie shop, another Barbie house, a Barbie Dreamhouse, a Barbie swimming pool, a Barbie safety, and a Barbie Dreamhouse, two Barbies, someone babysitting, and a Barbie having a spider, and today we're going to unbox the Barbie Dreamhouse. Thank you, Mum and Dad, for my Barbie! Open. Where did I put them?
On the floor, next to the old one, I suppose.
I might open this way. This one. I might do this one first. Yes. I feel like that's going for in 10 seconds. This one.
Speed it up. Let's see how fast you can go. Uh-oh, there goes Chelsea.
Okay, so I'm in the box. One here. And of course, heavy. Oh.
Yeah, that's a heavy one.
No, this is fine. Put the one there. And I've got one here. Stacy. And now Barbie. So much Barbie. Barbie here, Barbie there. Barbie everywhere. Someone color wheels.
No, leave them there. Okay.
Yeah, with them and tie.
And what are we going to do? What are we going to open first? Yep, you've been so excited for the new one.
What do we start? How do we start? How do we do it? I'm going to slide it out into the hallway so there's more room to unbox. I can't say. Was that the Barbie? Yeah, well, it's not that heavy. Black and burn. Then here.
Keep going.
Done. Done. There's our Dreamhouse. And can't do it. We just stick that on there. And now we do another hard piece because I hate sticking it. I'll take this out. I'll take this out. It's easy. I wonder what this is. I have no clue what it is. This is the slide. No, that's this is the slide. This is the slide of the box. Now we're going to try to put everything together. Now look at the instructions and then I'm going to try to put them together. Wow.
Bring it over here, Harper.
There's still one little gap.
No, turn it around. Turn it around, Harper. See? The spring goes onto the flat bit. Very good. Good job,
Shall it
Harper.
work?
Hmm?
Shall it work? One I think goes here. That one goes over on top. So, let's see. Wow, just go in the shower.
Okay, girls, let's continue. Shall we?
Yeah, here. Like, I think you do like that.
Line it up.
Yeah, you do like that. But that one doesn't work. Goes onto the bathroom floor. Yeah.
Is it clicked on?
That's how it needs to click. It's okay if it doesn't work good.
No. Yep. There we go. That's nice and secure. And now, okay, let's put this big one over on top. Go. No, this way.
This one goes over on top. I think like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll click it on the bottom. On the bottom.
The map.
Yeah. Always on. Because I think last time
I think
we
that
pressed it down on the top like that with the previous house and it cracked. So we're just going to try and connect it together by pressing it.
this is what it looks like so far.
We are at the back of the house and we are going to insert this sliding door. So let's try this. Yep. That was pretty easy.
The shower door, it opens, and like we put one piece on there and then the other piece up there. Mirror.
A what?
Mirror.
A mirror.
Yeah.
You can't say mirror. Yep, that's down. Okay. No, you can crack it. Watch your fingers. Okay, put it out of the way. I need two hands.
I can't
On the other side of it? Maybe. Does it go this way? No. I think it's this way. Yeah. No, it's not straight. See? You gotta line it up. Hold on. No. Click from underneath. Go. No fighting, girls.
When can we put a drink together?
Underneath. You hold the bottom.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Ooh,
What's
looking
that?
good. Probably. Oh,
This post goes into these holes.
right in there. Must get sunny.
Yeah, so yeah.
No.
Okay, fix the top. The top is good. Going. Top.
I need to fit.
So need help with this area. Flames, and this is the one that goes on top.
Click it in. Move your hand, sweetheart.
We'll go up here.
Oops.
Is this the disco room area?
This is the top level. Yeah. Hold on.
And this here goes in here.
Let's press it down. Oh, oh. Stop. Harper, we're going to break it. Yeah.
Yay!
Oh.
Wow, I can't open this.
Okay, align it.
So this goes here.
No, Harper, but you have to align the square.
I think this
There.
side, this side, and this side is white, so they go. So the other piece.
Oh, cool.
The
That's done.
other.
Now what next?
It needs more pressing.
Needs more pressing?
Yeah.
Does too. There we go.
Can you turn it off?
Did it scare you?
Can you turn it
Emma's trying to take off
off?
this sticker, this sticky tape here.
Trying to help.
Forever.
Trying to make it noise.
You can't take it off, Emma? You need help.
Will it install the elevator? Okay.
Goes in there.
Now let's go.
No.
And that's done.
Okay, now next one. Let's get the frame. Let's lay this one down. And then we're going to put that over on top. Okay? Yep. Okay. Is that in?
No, just one more here. One
Click.
more to go.
Did you hear a click?
No, just two more to go. Well, one here to go and one here to go.
Okay.
Two sides.
Let's turn it this way.
So this is
Ooh.
to make it go up and down. Where's the sticky tape here?
Oh,
this is
can you
up and
remove
down.
it? Remove the sticky tape.
It's
It's a bit hard, but...
can't. My nails, my fake nails. So this goes into here,
Oh, you did it.
and you press here, and then it goes up.
And you have to make sure that the clips are pressed in against the wall so it's not loose.
Level 4. Now
That's better.
main house is done. Now we have to put all the accessories in it.
And let's have a look what it looks like. Are you excited, girls?
Yes.
Yes? Is that all?
Hey, Mum, this is like when you sew, you want something where you put your foot on. Yeah, you should. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe.